Hey, I'm Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can create contact us page for your WordPress website. This is a simple work. So if you are a beginner, don't worry. After watching this video, you are able to create contact us page for your website. So let's get started. First, I'm going to my website. You can see here are no contact us page available. So I'm going to my WordPress dashboard. Then you can see this is a page. Just click new, then type contact us, then publish this page, then go to appearance, then menu bar, then add this page on your WordPress website. Just add to menu, then save menu. If I go my website, just refresh, then you can see contact us page available now on my website, but here is no column or writing available. Just go to google.com, then type contact us generator. Just click here, then you can go any website. So I am going to first website. First 10 websites are always good, I believe it. So here are type website name. So I want to type MD Abu Kalam. Then I write a email address, envelope abu at the red dot, then kalam.com. Then I want to type here ABC. Okay, this is good. So if I want to add a WhatsApp number, just click here, but I'm not interested to add WhatsApp number. Then if you want to add, this doesn't matter, as you wish. Then just type here generate contact us. Just one click, then wait some second. Wow, you can see this is my email address. If someone click here, then this person redirect their email section. So I want to copy this HTML code, then go to website, then go to page, all page, then wow, just go to contact us page edit. Just go to this section, then page, then paste your HTML code. If you found not available here HTML code, just type HTML. You can see HTML. Just paste your copy link, then go to my website. Just refresh. You can see here are table of content automatically create this software for me, but I want to disable this one, then again disable, then update, then again go to this website. Just refresh. Wow, my contact page are successfully added. This is a very easy one. So if you want to more video to type of, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. See you next video. Take care. Goodbye.